Hello everyone, and welcome to Method Portfolio here on YouTube and also methodportfolio.blogspot.com. Just wanted to review my DRYS ships trade. Here you see the reason I bought initially was the break of this descending trend line right here. Now let me zoom in. And you can see the break here. I bought the next day right at 625. And then I was expecting one of two scenarios to play out, either for the stock to take off here with some increasing volume, or, as happens a lot, one more pullback to the descending trend line and then take off with volume. So either way, I wanted to see some volume. Well, anyway, as it played out, this move up here after I had bought, really not much to speak of as far as volume. So my second scenario came into play. We saw the pullback, and I was a little suspicious because I really didn't like this amount of the higher volume here than on the previous move up. So the next move up was once again poor volume. So this day here, you can see the indecision doji candle, and it was also high volume. And the market's a little toppy to me, so it didn't look good. I thought it pulled back too far here, almost equaling the previous day. So I sold near the end of the day, right here at 619 for a small loss. Well, subsequently, you can see there was one more weak move up. Again, the volume just looks bad. It looks like it wants to go lower, and that's exactly what it did. And here you see, so if I hadn't have followed my process, my pre-planned scenario, I could be sitting in this stock now with a 50-cent loss, just praying that it goes back up again, which is what happens to a lot of beginning traders. So if you make a plan and stick to it and stay in the stocks that meet or exceed your expectations, I think you can do a lot better as a trader, and I know it's something I always strive to do. Now, shipping as a whole has actually been doing, not too bad. I just picked the wrong stock. Here's a index chart of shipping, and you see it's kind of consolidating, but it's still moving up. And within the industry, you can see some nice stocks here, that GSL, NEWL, Hornbeck. So there's still stocks that are doing well in the industry. I just picked the wrong stock this time. Now, I think the market's tricky right here. It's had a long run. It's a few down days. It's it's kind of like it's tough to initiate new positions. So I only own one stock right now, and that is CLDX, CLDX. And as you can see, I bought that perfectly right here on this tail down to the 20 MA. I bought at 595, so right there I bought, and I've been just holding it. Now it looks a little toppy here, but if I had a big position, I would probably take some off, but my plan right now is to hold above this 618, 718, 720 level. I want to hold it. And the reason is, if you zoom out on this, you can see we have some descending trend lines coming in at about the 950 area. So I'm looking for the stock to at least get over 9. So I'm willing to hold it as long as it stays above 718. Once again, thanks for coming, and here's my blog, methodportfolio.blogspot.com, and hope you got something out of it. Maybe I'll hear from some of you guys, and hope to see you again. Thanks, and bye.